Rough-in wiring series, switch outlet. 2 cables from other 3-way or 4-way switches. New 4-way switch outlet installation and splicing in opened framing. Mark the switch box. Nail box to the stud. Drill holes where needed. Run cable, wire and staple it. Protect cable by nail plates if needed. Make knockouts in the box many as needed. Insert cables into box knockouts and staple it within 12 inches of the box. Cables from entry the box and the end should be between 12 inches and 18 inches long. Strip cables jacket. Cables sheath jacket shall extend beyond enclosure, electrical box, entry not less than 1/4 inch. Separate ground bare wires from others and push ground wires towards the back of the box. Twist ground wires, hold by fist, it gives you 6 inches minimum length of wires from box entry, required, and cut shorter wire by fist. Thread long wire through green wire nut hole and twist it clockwise. Fold and push spliced ground wires with connector neatly into the box, leaving pigtail from wire nut outside the box. Separate neutral, white wires from other wires. Fold and push towards back of the box, hold it in place, catch and cut it in front of the fist. Strip ends of white wires about 1/2 inch. Splice white wires, twisting it by pliers and wire nut clockwise. Fold spliced white wires and push neatly into the box. Fold and push remaining wires towards back of the box, catch it and cut by front of the fist. Fold wires and push neatly into the box. More videos available. See videos description.